Hey guys, welcome here, and today I'm making a video, but we're playing animatronics game. But apart from video game fast, this one will allow you to see creepy stuff, and this one allows you to see the kitchen. I never used it, but I'll use that. And I always saw a little bit of creepy stuff. Oh yeah, see, I own that. So let's get into it. Okay. And somehow I had to restart, because if you don't play this game a lot and you don't have a cat so far, I beat the game 5 nights. Oop. But then now I restart. My chest. I never know what the kitchen looks like, so we're gonna find out ourselves. Cam 6. We're going cam 6, guys. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. I don't even know why I'm like being this excited. Oh my god. That's amazing. If someone's eating that pizza, go to Freddy, pop in there, you'll be whooping their butts for eating his pizza. You're like, whoop. Okay, no. Oh my god. Okay. Can I see that? Okay. See that cat? With the boy. I never know there was animatronics like that. Hey. Oh my god! Go to Freddy. Just did what I think. They go to his pizza, and then they go to Freddy like, bam. They go to Freddy like, oh, he ate my pizza. Okay, weird. Okay, the guy's gone. I bet he got stuff in a Freddy suit. I can't do the honk. Hey, pizza. Oh, nope. Hey, ow.
Evan, come on.
Okay. No. Looking for more creepy stuff. Creepy stuff. Well, that cat's back. And guys, that. Wait a minute. That's Bonnie and that blue guy. I just solved a mystery. I can figure out who the soul of Bonnie is. So the soul of the kid Bonnie belongs to. Bonnie's soul belongs. I just figured it out. I figured it out.
Let's get Mom on the glasses.
Hi.
Look at it.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
You want to take one, Mama? No? What? You want to be a pig? Yeah? Where's the pig?
Hi. I'm a little freaked out right now. Go to Freddy.
Don't touch.
No, look at me. Okay, Bonnie, I don't need to worry about him. go to Freddy still? Hi. 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 Ah! Go. Wait. Go. Wait. Guys, look. Look. I'm clicking.
You got a cat on your head.
Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, he's in there. Oh! Okay, that's creepy. Okay. Oh, we can see his face. Okay. But we get to see his face. We gotta see his face. Hey. Oh, I saw you. Hello. At first I saw that thing, I thought I was seeing things. Yes, knew it.
Sit down. Down. Actually move.
What Freddy are you here laugh? Oh wait. Hey Chica. Backstage. Kitchen. Hey Freddy, you're back to normal. Okay, the stuff is back to normal. Give me fine. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. Oh. Where is she? Go there. There she go. Oh God! Stop looking at me. Hi. Let them kill me. Not again. No, I'm dead. Just kill.
Stop that part.
Wow. Yes? Wow. That was awesome. Now, yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.